Far below the waves, past where sunlight fades, past where pressure crushes steel, there is a world that was never meant to be seen. Down here, nothing looks familiar. Nothing moves the way it should, and nothing survives the way life is supposed to survive. It does. In this darkness, evolution didn't just adapt, it rewrote the rules. And the deeper we go, the more unsettling the truth becomes. At about 200 meters below the surface, the ocean changes forever. Sunlight breaks apart. Colors disappear. Red fades first, then yellow, then green. This is the twilight zone of the ocean. Food is scarce. Movement is dangerous, and being seen can mean instant death. So creatures here evolved an unexpected solution. They erase themselves. Transparent bodies. Mirror-like skin. Eyes that look upward, searching for shadows above. Some animals even produce their own light. Not to be seen, but to hide. Scientists call this counter-illumination. By glowing just enough, these creatures cancel out their own shadows. But here's the mystery. Light usually reveals life. So why does the deep sea use light? To disappear? Scientists still don't fully understand how evolution perfected this illusion so precise. At 1,000 meters down, pressure becomes overwhelming. Every square inch of your body would feel the weight of a truck. Bones should collapse. Organs should fail. Yet life continues. Down here, fish don't rely on strong skeletons. They become soft, flexible, almost unfinished. The gulper eel stretches its mouth wider than its own body, not because it's aggressive, but because meals are rare and opportunities must never be wasted. Some creatures slow their heartbeats so much. They almost stop living between meals. Others grow enormous mouths, tiny muscles, and hollow bodies, built not for speed, but for survival. This raises a larger question. If pressure this extreme shapes life so dramatically, what happens when pressure becomes absolute? At 4,000 meters, there is no light at all, no plants, no photosynthesis, no obvious source of energy. And yet, this place is alive. The anglerfish floats in total darkness, carrying its own glowing lure. A false star in an empty universe. But the most disturbing adaptation isn't the light, it's reproduction. Male anglerfish are so rare, so small, that when one finally finds a female, he bites her and never lets go. His body slowly dissolves. Their blood vessels merge. He becomes part of her, not a partner, not an individual, a biological attachment. Scientists still don't know how this evolved without destroying the species entirely. But in the deep sea, loneliness is more dangerous than death, and deeper still. Things become even stranger. At the very bottom of the ocean, near crushing trenches, life should not exist. There is no sunlight, almost no food, and temperatures hover near freezing. Yet creatures like giant isopods roam the seafloor, enormous relatives of tiny land bugs. They can survive years without eating. Not days, not weeks, years. Others feed on chemical energy leaking from the earth itself. Toxic vents that would kill most life instantly. This isn't survival through sunlight. It's survival through chemistry, life powered by poison. And here's the unsettling part. These ecosystems don't just survive, they thrive. Which raises a disturbing possibility. If life can exist here, where else might it exist?